old piece of styrofoam and some moss. And I'm going to put a flower arrangement on this tennis racket. This is my old fire pit. I am on the front porch and I turned it upside down, and I like the rustic texture of it. I know it's rusty, but I'm not going to paint that. I decided to put 2 rugs on the front porch, so I want to give it more depth. This is Venus and Serena inspired. This arrangement was made on a tennis racket, and after they hit that ball, there was that burst of fire. I had my husband cut the handle off the tennis racket before hanging it up, because I'm hanging it in this area, and this window has a screen. The racket was actually on the screen, and I don't know if the wind, the rain, it may, you know, cause it to damage. So I'll rather cut that than risk having that screen torn. I got this inspiration from Full Bloom, showing on HBO Max, and they did starburst fireworks. So I thought how cool it would be if I did a Venus and Serena tennis racket, and that's their burst coming from those rackets when they hit the ball.